Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning out my laundry room and I hope you guys enjoy. This is what the laundry room looked like before, and let me tell you, this was a complete and utter disaster on the inside and the out. So the first thing I decided to do was clean off the floor so I could actually walk. So with the shoes, I just put them back in their little drawer and reorganized my shoes and my sister's. Then I picked up the remainder of the stuff that was on the floor and did my best to sweep up all that I could. After cleaning up the floor, I moved on to the pantry, and it just needed a little bit of a touch-up, and it wasn't much, but just a little bit of organization really helped. I also removed all of the dry laundry and bring it into the living room. Then I went ahead and went through all of my backpacks, cleaned them out, and reorganized everything so they looked better. Just as a nice touch, I went ahead and cleaned off my whiteboard. Then it was time to clean off the counter. I also went ahead and cleaned out all of the boxes that were on the counter and fixed up a bunch of wires. This right here was one of the biggest projects that I had done in the laundry room. It was pretty much cleaning out our junk drawer. We just had a bunch of random stuff in it. A lot of it was tools, but like I said, a lot of it was junk as well. So the first thing I did was take everything out of the drawer, then I cleaned it and rearranged the empty boxes so that it looked nice when I put the stuff back in it. After I did the junk drawer, I went ahead and emptied the trash, and then I moved on to everything that was hanging on the door. The next thing I set out to clean was the cat's cabinet. This holds the cat food, the cat litter, and a bunch of just random kitchen supplies. After taking everything out, I cleaned it, and then put everything back in an orderly manner. This right here is the last thing that I needed to do, which was probably the biggest thing out of everything besides the junk drawer. So I started off by taking everything out of the bottom level and then cleaning that. As you can see, it took a lot of elbow grease and a lot of work to get as much as I could off, but a lot of the stuff that was on there was just peeled wood. So before I put everything in, I put a clear waterproof grippy liner in to keep the products from further damaging the wood. For the second and third level, I repeated the steps, although I didn't add the liner in just because it didn't need it. ahead and quickly cleaned off all the counters. Did one final sweep through and vacuumed to finish everything off. So before I show you guys the after, let's go ahead and take a trip down memory lane and see the before. So now that we've gone back and seen the before, let me show you the after. You guys have officially made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment any recommendations you may have for future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!